Experiencing a frozen screen or no sound on your Scorpio N infotainment system? These issues often stem from software glitches or connectivity problems. First, ensure your smartphone is properly paired via Bluetooth or Apple CarPlay Android Auto. A simple power cycle can often resolve temporary freezes. Hold the power button for 10 to 15 seconds. Outdated software is a frequent culprit, so check for updates via the Settings menu or the VW Connect app. Remember, updates require a stable Wi-Fi connection and can take 20 to 30 minutes. Remember to perform updates while parked to prevent accidents. For persistent issues in older models, contact your VW dealership. If sound is the issue, ensure that the volume is turned up and the correct output is selected. The Scorpio N system runs on a Linux-based architecture. This foundation powers the infotainment features, but can be affected by software bugs in the firmware layer. Software bugs, often in the firmware layer, can cause freezes or audio failures. Keep the system running smoothly by clearing the cache regularly through Settings, Apps, Storage, and avoiding unnecessary third-party apps. Overloading the system with too many apps or outdated software can lead to problems. Regular software updates patch vulnerabilities and improve stability. VW reports a 40% drop in service calls since 2024 due to over-the-air updates. Wireless connectivity and user-centric designs are reducing the need for touchscreen interaction, decreasing freeze incidents. Contact VW dealerships for diagnostics, as unauthorized repairs can void warranties.